Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a text box into your presentation using the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon down below, which is the second option, and as you can see there is a vast variety of templates that you can choose from, so tap on the relevant one that you would like to use. Now you should add new slides to your presentation and click on this A plus pencil icon at the top of the screen. And then you should click on the home icon and press the button insert, which is the second option below the home button, and here click on the text box option, which is the third one. Now as you can see, you have added a text box that you can change the form of and its whole size and shape as well. So all you have to do is double tap in order to add your text. You can add any of these text boxes. So you have a vast variety of options. You can add any number of these text boxes, and you can also get rid of them by simply clicking on it and then tapping on this arrow icon pointing to the right direction till you find the delete option. So click on it, and as you can see, now you have got rid of the text box. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.